sino bang inaasahan mo? Siya bang magtataksil sa'yo? Paano ba wawakasan ang away na parang walang katapusan? Ayoko nang maloko, pero puso'y napapaso sa init, sa tindi ng apoy ng ating dugo. Sana madama mo ang apoy. Sana mapansin mo na ako. Gulong-gulo ka ba naman? Kung sino bang inaasahan? Siya bang magtataksil sa'yo?
Uy! Nandiyan ka pala. Sorry, nag-rematch kasi ako. Dito sa rematch, marami kang makikilalang kaibigan. Pwede ka maglaro dito ng soul game, voice game kung saan meron kang makakausap at meron ding party chat. Kaka-download ko lang, marami na agad nag-chat. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-lead match ka na!
Dilly dilly bone, close your eyes now. Someone's walking outside and knocking on the door. Dilly dilly bone, the night birds are chirping. He is inside the house to visit those who can't sleep. He walks, he's coming closer. Dilly dilly boom, lurking around the corner, staring right at you. Dilly dilly boom, night hides all. He sneaks up behind Dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door. I only want to play a little ding dong. You can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away. I see you through the window. Eyes all together. I can sense your horror. Though I'd like to see it closer. Ding dong, here I come to find you. Hurry up and let's play a little game and have fun. Ding dong, where is it you want to? Do you think you want a game of hide and seek?
Hindi mo alam
Good, I hear
binigay
your
ko ang
footsteps.
tiwala, pero bakit mo sinira para lang
I can hear your sharp breaths.
Sana
can't hide from me.
Sino kaya
Just know.
siya bang magtataksil sa'yo? Ano ba wawakasan? Ang away na parang walang katapusan. Ayoko nang maloko, pero puso'y napapaso sa init. Sa tindi ng apoy ng